Hey everyone, welcome back to SavvyTechAvantika. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of machine learning. That's right, machines that learn. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Let's break it down together. So what exactly is machine learning? Imagine you're training a puppy. You show it a ball and say fetch. Over time, the puppy learns to associate the word fetch with the action of retrieving the ball. Machine learning works similarly. We feed machines data, and they learn to recognize patterns and make predictions based on that data. There are different ways machines can learn. One way is called supervised learning. Think back to our puppy example. We explicitly show the machine what the right answer is. Another method is reinforcement learning, where the machine learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for making the right choices. These are just the basic building blocks of machine learning. There's a whole world of algorithms and applications out there, and we'll be exploring them in future videos. Is machine learning magic or science? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech with SavvyTechAvantika.